apple strawberry smoothie or apple strawberry milkshake or apple strawberry milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the strawberry smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the apple smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the apple milkshake recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the strawberry milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast smoothie recipes. Today we're going to make strawberry apple smoothie. We're taking one apple which we have peeled and cut into pieces, around 75 grams of sugar and around 100 grams of strawberry, apple pieces into the mixer blender, put in the strawberry, put in the sugar, close and grind well, and pour in around 50 ml of milk and grind again. Pour in another 150 ml. Close and blend well. Now the apple strawberry smoothie or apple strawberry milkshake is ready and can be poured into the glass. Pour the smoothie into the glass. This is the final apple strawberry smoothie or apple strawberry milk smoothie or apple strawberry milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the strawberry recipes and one of the most unique of the apple recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the apple milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the apple smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the strawberry milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the strawberry smoothie recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.